With your permission, sir, the proceedings will now begin. Are you pleased, sir, to administer the oath of office and of secrecy to the Minister of Meghalaya? Shri Sanbor, Shullai, please.
Yeah.
I, Sri Sanbor, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Nigeria, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear or favor, affection or ill will. I, Sanbor Shullai, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Meghalaya, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.